Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me today for our tips and tricks using ULS. Today we're going to talk about overriding a student's differentiated level. So to do that, we are going to navigate over to our N2I GPS. We're going to select ULS, N2I GPS. I am going to select the student I would like to override, and we're going to do the bare necessities. So you see right here, he's a differentiated level 2 overall. But let's say for math, I want to push him and challenge him a bit more. So we are going to go in and override that by selecting Configure Student View. Right over here at Configure Student View, it takes me to the set reading level priority, which is absolutely amazing. We can talk about it in a later video, but right now we're going to go through override differential level settings. So all of his settings are being used from his profile that you may have completed. We're going to scroll down to lesson 24. I know is my geometry unit, and I'm going to set that as the level 3. And I'm going to do that for all of my math units. I'm just going to select that, scroll all the way down to the bottom, hit save. Now I know for my student, whenever I assign a lesson to him for math in that geometry unit or whatever unit it might be, he is going to access the level 3 content. It's going to bump him up from level 2 to level 3. So hopefully that will help increase rigor in your classroom for your students. And it was quick and easy. And check back next week for more.